Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Chrome won't open or launch on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. It works with both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So we'll stick to the resolutions which are very precise. For example, the first solution is to kill the Chrome process from the task manager. Now here's the thing, if you open Chrome and you do not close it properly, what happens is that you may not see it here and you will still not be able to launch it again because the process is already open and stuck. So in that case, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. You'll find the Google Chrome process in this list. Right click on it and select End Task, and once you end the task, try opening Google Chrome again and it will work. Mostly this fixes the issue. I've tried it a lot of times and let's say in 60 to 70% cases this will resolve the problem. But if it doesn't, simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to perform a clean boot. Why? Because a lot of third-party software programs, especially third-party antivirus programs, may cause the problem. So in this case, you can reboot your system in the clean boot state. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked like it is checked here, click on Disable All. Make sure that all of these boxes are unchecked now. Click on Apply, then on OK, and then select the option to restart your computer. However, if this doesn't help, maybe there are a few temporary files which will be problematic. So I can delete app data. For example, I'll press the Windows key and the R button together. I'll type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. And then I can delete the Chrome folder if I find it here. But here's a better way. Search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. And then check all of the boxes here, each and every one of them, even the recycle bin, and then click on OK, then select delete files, and it will start deleting all unnecessary temporary files on the system. The last solution is to uninstall Google Chrome, but first you have to make sure that the Google Chrome browser is closed. After this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Then search for Chrome. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select uninstall and select uninstall once again and remove it completely. And once it is removed completely, then you can open any browser of your choice and then go to search for download Chrome. Now open download Chrome and select download Chrome. It will download the setup, and once it downloads the exe file, click on it and then select yes to install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.